Hi, I'm Paul Schumacher. At Schumacher Homes, we understand the choice to build a custom home is a big decision, and we know you have all kinds of questions. From how much does it cost? How do I get everything I want in my design? Where do I begin? And how am I ever going to be able to make all the decisions that go into building a custom home? Don't worry, you're not alone. For more than 3 decades, we have helped over 20,000 families that were in the exact same position. And that's why we created the Schumacher Way, where we guide you from day one all the way through move-in. We have broken it down to 6 easy steps. Our team has been together for a long time. Everyone who has been here 10 years gets the Schumacher ring. When you look around the room and you see how many people have the ring, it's a tremendous feeling, knowing how long we have all worked together. People have been around here for 10, 20, 30 years because they love what they do. Our homes get built because of our people. There's an amazing pride that goes into each and every home. Our people who work on your home, they feel part of your home. At Schumacher Homes, we're committed to making the process of building your dream home as simple and enjoyable as possible. And we're with you every step of the way.